Hey guys, welcome to my video. My name is Malcolm Crow, and you're about to learn about some science. This is a science expedition's little passport. I get this every month, and it's really fun to do. And I'm 11 years old, so most of these packages are for the kids like me, and I love science. So let's get into this. But first, let me introduce you to my cousin, Haley.
Hey guys, I'm the same age as him, and as y'all know, my name is Haley, and that's it.
Okay, so let's open this package. As you can see, this package is talking about stars and planets. The package comes with a book, and it's called Stars and Planets also. And it comes with a sticker, and it also comes with the guide, because this is an experiment. So first you read this book, and it's just like a comic strip. So this is talking about Amazed by Astronomy. Roberto takes Sam, Sophia, and Aunt Charlie to his favorite lookout spot. He's a docent, a volunteer guide. A docent is a volunteer guide. He is a docent at a planetarium and loves everything to do with stars, especially the sun. And the characters are Sam, Sophia, Aunt Charlie, and Roberto. So make sure you look out for those characters. Aunt Charlie, I can see San Francisco, says Sam. Luckily, it's a clear day. The city's about 30 miles away, says Aunt Charlie. You can see the Pacific Ocean, says Sam. I'm glad we wore sunglasses. The sun is bright as it sets. So you can see that the setting is in close to a planetarium where they can see the sun. And since it's sunset, so it's probably in the evening. I want to let my cousin read the next comic strip.
The sun is a giant ball of very hot gas. Car around 70% hydrogen, 28% helium, and 2% other elements. Good things it's only stars in our solar system. It'd be too hot otherwise.
That's what Roberto says. And Sophia says, I read that 1.3 million Earths can fit inside the sun. That's awesome. So technically, this is how big the sun is compared to how big the Earth is. That's pretty cool. The Earth is about this small to the sun. So if 1.3 million Earths can fit in the sun, I don't want to see the bigger sun, a bigger sun than the sun that we have, because that's just gonna be humongous. So Sam says, right, Sophia, the sun is much larger than the Earth. In fact, it makes over 99% of all the matter in our solar system. That's coming from the docent. Write in the comments if I'm saying this right. D-O-C-E-N-T. Docent. So he's a docent. Sam is a docent. So Roberto is a little kid, and Sam is the docent, the expert at suns and the solar system. So then they notice that there's a shooting star And then Sam is talking about it's funny that we call them shooting stars, even though they aren't stars. So I guess shooting stars are not even stars. So that's a cool thing. I thought shooting stars are moving stars, but I guess stars don't really move. Shooting stars are actually rocks or dust particles that enter Earth's atmosphere so fast that they heat up and glow. Astronomers call them meteors. Do most meteors blow up before they can get a chance to land? She says. They do, and that the ones that reach Earth are called meteorites. So the ones in the air that we call shooting stars are meteors, and then the ones that land are called meteorites. You can read the next one. Wait, I forgot one. We just caught the best light show on the planet. She says, now let's catch some Z's. That means that they're trying to go to sleep. If you want to explore more, the sky's the limit. Sky's the limit. I guess that what they're trying to say is that the sky is not the is the limit of exploration for Earth, and then above the sky is just all other stars and other planets and stuff in the solar system. I'm gonna let my cousin read the rest.
Sam and Sophia return to Aunt Charlie's lab. How was Nabia? Dark but bright with stars. We could see thousands of stars in the Milky Way. Are you two planning to sleep outside, under the blanket of stars? We're going to rise with our stars, the sun.
Okay, and at the end of the page, here goes a star maze. We're gonna try to start and finish a star maze. So, I just messed up. I think I got it. I'm almost there. Up, down, over, up, over, right, left, up. I went up. I messed up again. And I finished. Yeah. Okay, now on to the experiment. So, as you can see, the experiment is called Stars and Planets. Solar System and Star Quest. So, we're going to decide on doing the Solar System or the Star Quest. I think I like the Solar System.
So which one is that? This one or this one? That one.
This is the Solar System. As you can see, it has all these stuff. So,
we gotta get on the ground with that because it got paint.
So, it shows the instructions and how to do all this stuff. So, let me bring you down to the ground so we can get started on our cool solar system. So, as you can see, we have the supplies right here, and let's get started. So, we're gonna open this.
Oh, and we got some little cards right here.
Little cards. And these are the planets. I guess we're gonna be putting these together
and connecting them.
And then, so let's first we need to look at the materials we need. So, the materials are these, the Saturn's rings, one sheet of sandpaper. This is a sandpaper. And a circular base. This. and a rod, which is in here, and metal bars, which is also in here.
And then
And the paintbrush, and the paint, and 8 arms, which is also in here. And then we need a cup of water, paper towels, and a paper plate. My assistant, can you go get that, please? And thank you. And we'll almost get started. So the instructions. Step 1 is to help paint the stick. Help the paint stick to the punch. To help the paint stick to the punch outs. Use the sandpaper to sand the surface of each hemisphere. Cut the sandpaper into 4 small squares to make it easier to use. Wipe off any dust. So technically, it's telling us to paint these and then connect them together. And then we'll be done. Here goes our cup of water. Here goes our paint. And then here goes our paintbrush. So let's get started.
You said a cup of water.
Paper towels. Paper towels.
Okay. Granny said we can't get
Okay. So let's get started.
We can just leave it down.
Let's see. So we're gonna color this big one, this punch out, right here.
I want to do this.
Do the other one. Do the other one. Do the other this one.
This one?
Yeah, we have to color this one yellow. Let's get the yellow and start painting.
He's gonna paint that one. I'm
Oh.
gonna paint this.
This is getting messy. Let me get our... And let's get started. Excuse me. Getting my paintbrush. Got my paint. Now let's paint. It's going pretty good. It's kind of slow. I'm kind of impatient. And I'm painting and painting.
Should have did it outside.
Almost got half of it.
Hold it from the inside and paint it.
Get some more paint and paint the rest. I'm almost finished, guys.
Excuse me.
And the last spot. And I am officially finished. It is yellow. Now I'm going to let my cousin paint the other side. I'm going to let this dry. And then next I'm going to get the next bigger one. And it says to paint that one. It looks like a green color. Let me see.
Everybody watching.
Yep.
Get ready to eat.
It looks like a red color. So next one we're painting is this one. You almost finished?
Yep.
And then we'll be done with the yellow paint.
One more. And
We're finished.
yep.
So now I'm gonna let these dry. We're gonna let these dry.
And
And it says when we put these two together, this is Saturn, so we have to have the ring for it, which is this. So we're gonna put all that together, and then now we're on to the next one. We're coloring this one red, a reddish pink. Comment down below what this color is to you, red or pink. Now let's get on to it.
you're painting first, or can I paint first?
You want to paint first? Yeah. Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
And we're gone. This is red. It is a red color. It looks red to me. And we're doing it. After this, we probably need to dip it in some water because we don't want it to be two colors. We're almost done. And show them your result. It's looking good, guys. That's the first red one. Put it beside the yellow. After mine, I'm going to have to put it in the water because I don't want these colors to mix together.
Hey guys, I'll be right back.
She'll be right back. As you can see, I'm halfway done. I can't wait to see the result of the experiment. And I'm done. I'll put it beside the red one. And then I'm going to put some water in here. I think it got a little bit too red. Okay. Now, time to color the next one. The next one they say to color is this. And then I guess we're going to be coloring that one a blue color. And it's time to color. As you can see, that's blue. Let's get to coloring. Almost done. Done. And I'm done. On the next one. Yep, right here. Got it. Now, on to the next one. I got my blue paintbrush and I'm starting to paint. These smaller ones take less time, so I don't have to take too long on doing it. So now we have the smallest one, and we're going to be painting that one. It looks like a, I say it's white. I think it's white. I don't know why you color a planet white. So I think I'm gonna mix the colors just a little. Let's see. What should I color it? I colored blue. I colored yellow. I haven't colored green. I'm gonna try green on this one.
I said my needle. Oh, why would I want that? She trying to fool you.
Okay, and let's get to coloring. Guess what? I'm already done. On to the next one. Some more green. I think this looks like a teal green. Make sure you subscribe on this video. Hit the thumbs up. And make sure you turn on the post notifications. And I'm done with these. So now let's get on to the next ones. As you know, there are 8 planets in our solar system. Starting off with the bigger one. As you can see, looks like this. And I guess we colored this yellow. I think that's a good color. Yellow. Yeah, yellow. I'm gonna put this in some water and let my cousin. I'll be right back.
Barely can open it.
There we go. Okay.
I heat that pile in case y'all want some.
Okay. Now I'm gonna do the other side of it. Once I find it. Oh, got it. There we go. Guys, I'm all done with the second one, as you can see. So now I'm going to start on the other one. So now let's start on a different one. Now we're going to do one with a thing on it. I forgot what it's called. That's what we're going to do. Let's see what color we're going to color that. So I guess that color gonna be green? Yeah, I think it's gonna be green, guys. That's what I'm gonna go ahead and color. Yep, green, guys. I'll finish with that. Then I'll color the other side green. Okay. Let's get it. So far, I'm having fun.
Hey, we can eat. Max done. I'll take over the video for you. Can I sit on the bed?
Are we eat all your food?
Yes, ma'am. Can I sit on Kai's bed real quick?
Because you can't be in the video.
Yes, I can. I just need a pass real quick. I need to get my pom-poms.
Okay. Gotta get something real quick. Okay, got that. So now we only have 3 more parts, and then we're done. So, but
The next color is...
oh, we were supposed to color them on here and then take them off once they're dry. That's what I'm gonna do. So blue, color the next one blue.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi guys, Malcolm's back.
Hey, guys.
So now we gotta color this one blue. We were supposed to paint them. You see, we were supposed to paint them on here, and then we were supposed to take them off once they're dry. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do now.
What's lip dive? Look at the watercolor.
Nasty.
Oh, that's my tongue. Y'all gotta rinse it out when y'all done. When y'all are done, y'all better rinse out my cup.
Need more.
Here goes the watercolor. If you can see it, comment down below what that watercolor is. It looks like a green. It looks like a greenish teal.
Which one of y'all? Who did the first one? Show me the first one.
I can't wait to get to the next part. You know what? I'm gonna start putting these together now, since the first one's all dry. You ready? So you put this on here, and then you attach it.
Okay, what do we use with this?
TV down, so I can't hear nothing in here.
What TV?
Whatever y'all got playing now.
Nothing? That's Makash. That's Makash. Okay, now I'm gonna paint the other galaxy. I'm coming back, guys.
As you can see, I'm putting this together.
I'm bringing a helper real quick.
I'm struggling over here.
So I say, I need a helper. Because I might know how to do it.
I think I
As
got
y'all
it.
can see that I am still painting over here.
And I got it. Looks
So now-
pretty good to me.
I finished all painting. So now, what I'm gonna
Put
do
this over here.
is, what's the next color? The next color is orange.
Hey,
Okay. Now I'm gonna put together these red ones.
They say I have a sister and I might let her join.
There we go. Look at my next planet. On to the next.
That's the hot planet.
Okay. And done with this one. I'm gonna wait till these other planets dry. Because these other planets are pretty
Wet.
yeah. I'm gonna take these out for my cousin Haley.
Okay, hey guys, I am back. So what color is that? Blue?
I'm taking these out. And then you can paint the next color. Got this. And now we have 2 more, guys. 2 more. And then we'll be ready to move on.
So now what's the next color?
The next color. We'll see.
You got my jacket on.
Let's see.
You got my jacket on.
I'm just going to go ahead and take the rest out. So we can go ahead and put these to the side. Because we spent pretty long on painting these. But at the end is going to be a good result. You know what? I'm going to start on the next steps. While my cousin paints them and puts them together. So the next says to put all these together. So I'm going to go ahead and start on that. And then once I finish, it should be close to the time to put them together.
So what color do I paint them?
Any color. Okay. Now, put these on. And then, I think we go from biggest to smallest. As you can see, this is the biggest. So I'm going to start with this one. And then the next biggest is this one. So I'm going to do this one next. And then I'm going to put the next biggest on, which is this one. And then this one.
Do we mix up the color? I'm going to do this.
And then my next one, I think this one's the bigger one. And then this one.
Biggest.
This one's the next one. And then this is the last one. Now what you're supposed to do is take a planet and then put it on its atmosphere. Like okay, let's see.
It's right there.
Oh, that's what the rods are for. You put the rods on here so you can stick them on. Almost done, and I got it. You put the smallest and the smallest and the biggest and the biggest. Are you done, Haley? Yep. Okay, you can come and help me. Okay, so these are the rods, and they all have different sizes. So let's go ahead and continue. As you can see, I accidentally knocked all these down. Have to put all of them back on. That was a giant accident.
I can't put this on there.
And now, as you can see, you can look at this, and we're gonna put these rods on. The biggest go on the biggest, and the smallest go on the smallest. I'm putting this on this one. I'm gonna put it in the order that this says to put it in. So this one goes in the third one. So 1, 2, and 3. This is the third one. So I'm gonna put this is the longest rod. This one's the shortest rod. Wait,
That's what we should have did, Matt.
So these two look the same. So I'm going to put, these two are the same. So I'm going to put them on the ones that this instruction says to put them on. This one goes on the bottom, and this one goes on the third one. I'm trying to get it. And I got it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put them on, put the planet on. Put the planet on. Oh, that's pretty cool. I just noticed something. On these things, they have restrictions. This one, Venus, is 67 million miles from the sun.
Okay, where's that white?
And
What the heck is you doing?
Trying to put my make it wider. Stop it.
Earth is
I made my
3 million miles from the sun.
I made my thing wider.
And Saturn is 889 million miles from the sun. The longest planet from the sun is Neptune, which is 2,800,000,000,000 miles from the sun. That is so many miles. Imagine walking that much miles. That would be crazy. So now I'm going to keep applying these on. Stop it now. That paint does not come off. Just stop it. You're not doing what you're supposed to be doing. You said you wanted to help. I put this planet on. Now, I'm going to put the rest on the places where they're supposed to be. The longest rod goes on the second one. This is the second from the last. So I'm going to put the longest rod on here. These rods are hard to put on. I'm going to use the planet to put it on. There we go. And I got it. Now I'm going to put on the next rod that I see, which is this one. This next rod, I'm going to put on the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I got it on. You see? And my next rod I'm going to put on is the second to the smallest. And such a mistake. I just accidentally got paint on my hand. Okay, now I'm going to put this one on the... Looks like this one goes in the first one. Use the planet.
The girl wanted it. The mama told no. Today I made it a house.
This is pretty hard. Oh, I keep trying and trying, but it won't work. Almost done. And I got it on. And I have 2 more rods. So, I think I know which one this goes on. This goes on this one.
I don't know where my own jacket is. Stop, Haley!
So, I'm putting this rod on this one. And I got it. And then these last 2 rods go. This one goes in this third to last. Up, this one fell off. These are so hard to put on.
No. Stop. It tastes like this.
I think I got it. Accidentally attached it to here. And I got him. I got all of them on. Now I'm going to attach these.
Did you get paint on your hands?
Move. I don't want to talk to you.
I got water for you.
Hey, what you doing in the kitchen? Hey. Hey.
Gotta find the hole. And I found it. So I'm going to place it on the rod. Place the next one on the rod. Found the hole. Now I'm going to place it on the rod. Next one, I'm going to place it on the rod. Found the hole. Pink. And I'm going to place it on the rod. Okay. Now that I got all these on here, you can tell what all these look like. And if you read these rods, it shows you how much miles they are from the sun. And that's the end of my video. Make sure you give this video a like, a thumbs up, subscribe to me, and put the post notifications on. And I will see you later. Have a great day today. And make sure you remember to always stay together with science.